Have you ever stared at the world around you and wondered how it all holds together? Specifically, how do atoms, the fundamental building blocks of everything, manage to exist without constantly flying apart? It seems impossible, doesn't it, when you consider the tiny, dense core they possess? Today, we're unlocking one of the universe's most profound secrets, the strong nuclear force. This incredible power is the cosmic glue defying electrical repulsion and keeping the very heart of matter, the atomic nucleus, incredibly stable. Get ready to understand how matter itself is forged. Let's first consider the challenge. An atomic nucleus is an unimaginably tiny space, yet it's packed with protons, each carrying a positive electrical charge. As basic physics teaches us, like charges repel each other, and they do so with immense force, especially at such close quarters. This powerful push, known as the electromagnetic force, should theoretically blast any nucleus containing more than one proton into oblivion instantly. So, how do elements like carbon, oxygen, or iron, all with multiple protons, manage to hold themselves together? The answer lies with the strong nuclear force, the most powerful of the four fundamental forces of nature. Unlike the electromagnetic force, which can act over vast distances, the strong force is incredibly short-ranged, operating only across distances smaller than the diameter of a proton, roughly 10 to the power of -15 meters. Within this minuscule domain, it's approximately 100 times stronger than the electromagnetic repulsion. This attractive force directly binds quarks together to form protons and neutrons, and as a powerful residual effect, it also binds these protons and neutrons together to form stable atomic nuclei. Imagine the strong force as the ultimate cosmic superglue, but one that's only active when particles are practically touching. Without this phenomenal force, our universe would look radically different. There would be no stable atomic nuclei beyond a single proton, meaning no elements heavier than hydrogen could exist. No stars, no planets, and certainly no life forms like us. It's this powerful, short-range attraction that allows for the creation of all the diverse elements on the periodic table, making everything from water to diamonds, and indeed, every structure in the cosmos, possible. So, the strong nuclear force is the crucial, short-range, incredibly powerful cosmic glue that triumphs over the electromagnetic repulsion of protons, keeping atomic nuclei stable and allowing for the existence of all matter as we know it. If you found this explanation as fascinating as we do, please hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the wonders of science.